1 year ago, October 2021, I did a video of the Maston Trail system here in the Bend, Redmond area. I'm riding basically the same 12-mile loop this time, focusing more on which trail I'm on and the trail junctions. Last year the battery died on my GoPro the last 2 miles of the loop. Not happening this time. I'm heading east on the Tail End Trail to the Fat Rabbit Loop. First stop will be the Fat Rabbit Overlook at the Deschutes River Canyon. When I reach the rock bar overlook, something probably a rock will get into my drivetrain, breaking one spoke and compromising 7 others. Stay tuned to see how I finish and continue the 4.5 more miles to Redmond. I did 13 plus miles yesterday, so I'm a little tired today. We'll see how I do. Rocks here are kind of sharp. These tubeless rims make it really hard to get a tire off. I believe this is Fat Rabbit. See that world? This is the Fat Rabbit Loop. Trying to avoid sharp rocks. We're there. 2.1 miles from Juniper Trailhead. Last year it was my hardtail here. Here. This river here. I just finished the Fat Rabbit Loop back on Talon. Shit. Okay, here's the rock bar loop. Rock bar. And if I stay straight, if it keeps me on the Talon, actually it's called Headgate from this point. But I'm going to go around and back and I'll pick up the Headgate at the other side. People bypass that. Oh, okay, this is where I'm literally 5 feet from the canyon wall. I'm in a high gear. I'll drop it down at least one. Let's stop here and take some pictures. I've gone 5.5 miles at this point. painful. All right, where are we? Rock bar. We just came off of. This should be something else, but it's not there. It's junction 3. It's got to be this way. Did I do it again? And turn left. Thank God for apps. Rock bar. Rock bar, just got off and now we're on the head gate. In the miles now, 7, actually 6.7. So we're on head gate just in case I edited and trying to figure out where the heck I am. After getting off of Rock Bar for a quarter mile or so. I know where I'm headed. $8.2 for me.
11 for me.
No, damn you. I got through that pretty good. Alright, Lost Stream, Pumice Foot, which is the one I'm going to take. At least that's the one I took last year.
through here a couple times.